In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can put together my April Craft Club subscription box. Hello everyone, if you guys are new, my name's Liz and today I'm going to share with you a tutorial and how I put together my April subscription box kit. If you didn't know, I make and sell wooden craft kits, and I also have a monthly subscription box where you get a wooden craft kit as well as an exclusive 6x6 scrapbook paper pad. So some things that you can expect, these are past boxes and I just wanted to show them to you so that you could kind of get an idea of what you are going to receive in your boxes, things similar to this. I think that they are really fun to put together and hang up on the wall. You could use them as shelf sitters, all sorts of fun different things, and these can be finished in so many different ways. So these are past boxes, January, February, and March's boxes, and then this was April's box. So if you were subscribed during April to my monthly subscription on my website, this is the kit that you would have received, and I just think that this is so much fun and perfect for summer. So let's go ahead, jump into the tutorial, and I'll show you how I put this together.
So here is the month of April's kit, a very summery and citrusy kind of kit, which I thought was really fun. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking my 6x6 paper pack that comes with your kit, and I'm going to choose 2 pieces of paper to use on the houses. You can obviously choose whichever paper that you want to use, or maybe you don't even want to use the paper, maybe you just want to paint them. Whatever the case may be, you can fix this up in any kind of way that you want to, do any kind of different color schemes or patterns. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to these kits. So I just start by taking the 2 houses that are going to be on either side, and I trace them out using a pencil, and then I'm just going to cut those houses out using some scissors. And then I just take a good old glue stick and adhere my paper to the houses. That always seems to work really well for me, but I will say one thing to keep in mind as I was doing this: you don't want paper on the very bottom because that's going to make the houses harder to go into the little spots on your stand. So keep that in mind. I'll show you at the end how I cut some of that paper off so that it would slide easier into their spots, but just as a PSA, don't put paper all the way down there and save yourself the time unlike I did. So I'm going to take some of my Dixie Belle Farmhouse Green chalk paint, and for that middle and tallest house, I'm going to give this one good coat of paint. And then also another just quick apology. Apparently I was having a really hard time seeing this day. So my head gets in the way quite a lot, and I was having such a great hair day that day. So just ignore my big head getting into the shots and my hair. Just ignore it. So I'm going to take that same farmhouse green. I'm going to take the 2 round windows, paint those with that color, and then this folk art fire coral color I'm going to use on the 2 rectangle windows that are going to go on the biggest house. Next, I'm going to take my Waverly chalk paint and plaster, and I'm going to use this for all 3 of my roof pieces for this kit. And then I'm also going to take that same plaster color and use it to paint the base of the kit, and then I also use it to paint the words of the kit. Next, I'm going to take my Dixie Belle chalk paint in Rebel Yellow, and that's what I'm going to use to paint all of my lemon pieces and my lemon slices. You could make this into limes if you wanted. You could paint them green, or whatever you want to paint them is totally fine. You don't even have to use the lemons on it if you don't want to. You could make it orange slices and use oranges. There's just so many different things you can do with it, which I think is really fun. So the next thing that I'm going to do is start assembling all my pieces now that they are all painted. I just like using the Gorilla Gel super glue. That works really well for me. So I'm first going to start off by gluing the roof pieces down to all three of the houses. And then next I'll go to the windows. I tried my best to get these windows as even as possible for both the houses with the round windows, but it really doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want with it. So I just glue those down, and then I glue my rectangular windows down to my middle house. And then the next thing you want to do is insert your houses into the base. That way you can glue down your lemon slices and the words. So again, here I'm just taking a little blade and cutting off some of that paper at the bottom so that it fits easier into the actual stand. And I had to do that for both the pieces that I put the paper on. The paint one was totally fine, so just keep in mind you don't want to cover the entire bottom with paper, just a little bit of it to make it so that it's easier to get into that slot. Then once your houses are in the base, you can begin putting your lemon slices down, you can begin putting your words down, and then I just finished it off by gluing my lemons down. And then as a little added touch, ribbon does not come with this kit, but I thought it would be fun to tie some ribbon around this. So this is just for pure inspiration, something that you can add onto it. I grabbed this lemon ribbon from the Dollar Tree and I just sized out how long I needed it to be. And then I'm going to cut off both ends of it so that I can fray it and unravel the ends and make it look a little bit more messy. So I just did a tiny portion on each side and then pulled some strings from each side, wrapped it around that middle house, and then tied a double knot on the side. And that's all you got to do for April's Craft Club subscription box kit. It's super fun and I love having this on a shelf with my summer decor. I think it looks really pretty, and that is all you got to do for this box.
And that is it for today's video. I hope that this was helpful in getting your kit put together. If you guys want to sign up for May's box, make sure that you click the link in the description box and you can sign up for my subscription box on my website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.